सदाशिवसमारम्भां शङ्कराचार्यमध्यमाम् अस्मदाचार्यपर्यन्तां वन्दे गुरुपरम्पराम्। Today I will give you the summary of 11th chapter titled Vishwarupa Darshana Yoga. This chapter can be fully grasped only when we have the knowledge of those previous chapters. Especially 7th chapter onwards up to 10th chapter. Because these chapters 7, 8, 9 and 10, all these 4 chapters talk about Ishvara Swarupam, the nature of God. Who is God? Where He is residing, what is the nature and definition of the Lord is given in all these 4 chapters. If we have that knowledge or if we have the background of those chapters, we can enjoy this chapter thoroughly. So therefore, this chapter is based on those 4 chapters. What is that foundation? God alone is the Karanam. Ishvara, God means here Ishvara, is the Jagat Karanam, was the foundation given in previous chapters. Ishvaraha Jagat Karanam, the cause of this universe. When we say this statement, immediately the question will arise. There are 2 types of causes. There are 2 types of Karanam. One is Nimitta Karanam, another one is Upadana Karanam. Nimitta Karanam is called as intelligent cause. From our Vedantic term, intelligent cause is called Nimitta Karanam. Upadana Karanam, the material cause. Any product must have these 2 causes. Any product in the world. Intelligent cause as well as material cause. This part, what we see is the product. It has 2 causes. This part, what is appearing in front of us, has got 2 causes. One is the intelligent cause. Second one is material cause. The intelligent cause is the the pot maker, Kulalaha, pot maker. The material cause is the clay, material. So the Kulalaha is the one intelligent one, not you and I. So that Kulalaha, pot maker, is the one who is intelligent, is called Nimitta Karanam. And the clay is material to manufacture that pot. It is a matter material cause. This is what we understand. Every product has got its cause, 2 types, material and intelligent. The well-known examples, gold ornaments. There in the gold ornaments, goldsmith is the intelligent cause, gold is the material cause. What is the product? Chain, bangle, ring, etc., etc. Similarly, wood is the material cause, carpenter is that intelligent cause. The desk is the product. Fiber is the material cause, weaver is the intelligent cause, cloth is the product. Very clear. Then Bhagavan is the cause of this universe, Karanam. God is the cause of this universe. Then what are the two causes? You have to see. Bhagavan is intelligent cause, we casually say very easily, because Bhagavan is Sarvajnaha, intelligent enough to create this universe. You and I cannot create. Therefore, Bhagavan alone is the intelligent cause. The next question is, what is that material cause for Bhagavan to create? Udane we say Panchabhutas. Creation has not yet come. How Panchabhutas can be the material cause? Bhagavan alone is there. So therefore, material cause is none other than Bhagavan alone. God alone is the material cause, non-separate from the God. Material cause is non-separate from the God. This is very, very important to understand if we want to understand the Ishvara. If God also going for material like carpenter, goldsmith, weaver, how can we take him as a great Lord? How he is different from goldsmith, how he is different from carpenter, how he is different, or how can we worship such a God? Carpenter also great. Who is doing furniture for us? That means God must be the material cause. Therefore, in Sanskrit what we say, God is, or Ishvaraha, nimitta, abhinna nimitta upadana karanam. Ishvaraha jagat karanam, first statement. Ishvaraha jagat karanam. Karanam two types. Nimittam upadana. Bhagavan is nimitta karanam, we easily accept. But upadana karanam also Bhagavan. Upadana karanam also Bhagavan. Bhagavan alone manifests as the universe. The whole universe is like a product. Bhagavan is the one intelligent cause as well as material cause. Abhinnam, non-separate. Non-separate from what? From this world. Non-separate from this world, which is nothing but nimitta karanam, upadana karanam. The God is appearing as the universe. God is non-separating from the world. Therefore, abhinna, non-separate, nimitta upadana karanam. God is non-separate from the intelligent cause and material cause. Next step, once Bhagavan is the material cause of this universe, that material only appearing as the universe, Bhagavan alone is the material. Are you following? The material is Bhagavan. Material only become the product. World is the product. Product world is made up of the material. Material is none other than Bhagavan, Ishvara. Appa world is what? Ishvara only. World cannot be separate from the God. Because world material is God himself, Ishvaraha. Therefore, chain cannot exist separate from the gold. Gold alone is appearing as the chain ring bangle. When you come to that worldly objects, intelligent cause is different, material cause is different. In the point, note pannikana. When you come to the world, intelligent cause, material cause is one and the same. When you come to other objects, intelligent cause is different, material cause is different. If not, what will happen? Goldsmith also will come to our house, pot maker also come to our house, carpenter also comes to our house. Illogical. So God alone is the material cause and intelligent cause. Therefore, world is what now? Whole world is product of Ishvara. Ishvara alone manifesting. Manifesting Nama Rupa, Vyakta Nama Rupa is Vishwam. Vyakta Nama Rupa means manifesting, appearing. Nama Rupa, everything is Ishvara. Vyakta Rupena Prapancham. Ade Avyaktama Aidam. And the Nama Rupa will merge into Bhagavan. Nama Rupa will come into existence. If they come into existence, I see the world. If they merge again with the Bhagavan, Nama Rupa will merge. That is called Avyaktam. The Para Prakriti alone, Bhagavan, appearing in the all names and forms. That is why we worship what? What not? If anybody asks, why you the people Hindus worship all the, everything you worship, what not you are worshipping? Yes, appa, na worship pannuve anna. All that. No argument with that person. Our attitude, our concept, our vision, our perception is this. Not blindly we are worshipping. We are not worshipping the stone. We are not worshipping the paper. We are not worshipping the metal. We are worshipping God alone, bhavana. Why? Because of this understanding. Not only that, really speaking, if I worship God separately somewhere, here only, nothing is God. If I say, it is Mahapapam. It is a big blunder, mistake. Bhagavan is all pervading. How can I say Bhagavan is not here? How foolishly Hiranyakashipu asked his son, Prahlada, where is Bhagavan? Where is Narayana? And the small boy said, where he is not. Appa, inge paar, ange paar, and cholala. Where he is not, he asked. Then father challenged him. How confident you are? How boldly you are telling the lies. No, I am not telling lie. This is the truth. And Hiranyakashipu thought in the boy, childish boy, he cannot show the God anywhere. So he asked, show me in this pillar. Bhagavan came out. That is picturized. So therefore, Kadavul, where is he? Perum all. That's what today Arudra Darshanam enartham. Lord Nataraja is dancing today. The happiest day. Shiva Tandavam Pandraravar. That's why, and the Surya Chandra on his head represents Kala. The Jata Jutam, when he is dancing, it is standing perpendicular. Straight up, horizontally, not perpendicular. Horizontally standing shows. Any artist, any sculptor, when he does Nataraja, he has to make that hair stand still. Hair, how many hairstyles are coming in nowadays? Nobody is trying in Nataraja's hairstyle. It cannot. That shows how speed he is moving. Eppadi fan suttumbodhu namakku wings theriyadho. Can you count the wings? 2 or 3, 4? You cannot. It is fast. Move பண்ணும்போது பார்க்க முடியாது. Count பண்ண முடியாது. Similarly, when Bhagavan is, Nataraja is moving so fast, dancing, the hair is that much fast in artham. That much speed. How much speed? You cannot explain. That is called Srishti. That is called Srishti. This is about Ishvara Swarupam. Now, from first shloka onwards, up to 8th shloka, now this is the background. Whole Vishwam is what? Vishwam eva Rupam yasya. Ipo puriyardo. And the statement artham, in the ulagame உடம்பா இருக்கிறது பகவானுக்கு. விஸ்வம் ஏவ ரூபம், whose form is nothing but universe. அதுதான் விஸ்வரூபம். தர்ஷனம் means you have to see. You have to see. Now Vishwarupa Darshanam, when you want to see? Which time? Morning or afternoon or in the night? 24 hours I am seeing the Vishwarupam. But Ekarupam anna ஒரே கொஞ்சம் டைம் தான் பார்க்க முடியும். But Vishwarupa Darshanam 24 hours available. Now you prefer Ekarupa by particular time, in a particular place, in a particular form, or you want to see that Lord everywhere, in every form, all the time. You want 24 hours water or 1 hour water? You want electricity, 1 hour electricity or 24 hours electricity? அப்பா என்ன ஆசை பாருங்க. ஆனால் பகவான் வந்து, so you need a perspective change to see Vishwarupam. Even though it is available all the time, Bhagavan is in the form of universe. Why I am not able to appreciate? For that Lord says, Arjuna, I will give you Divya Chakshu. Temporarily I take out your raga dvesha. Injection panni appadi suck pannணும். Raga dvesha, attachment, aversion vidu, individuality vidu konja neram. Then you can see the Bhagavan. Naan ennudedi, ahankara and mamakara konja neram you just keep aside. That is called Divya Chakshu. Very difficult to understand this. Divya Chakshuன்னா ஏதோ மூடாவது கண்ணு இருக்க அர்ஜுனருக்கு கொடுத்துருக்கார பகவான் ஒன்றும் கிடையாது. ஏதாவது ஸ்பெஷல் காகுல்ஸ் மாதிரி ஏதாவது கொடுத்துருக்காருன்னா ஒன்றும் கிடையாது. நம்ம ஏன் பார்க்க முடியலன்னா அகங்காரம் இருக்க, கோபம், தாபம், ஈர்ஷா, அசூயா, துவேஷம், பொறாமை எல்லாமே இருந்ததுனால பகவான் பார்க்க முடியல. அதனால அது விடணும் அப்படின்னு சொன்ன பகவான் he gives. No, this is called attitude. Like you see our children now, this is the cricket bat used by Sachin Tendulkar, who wants anna. Suppose a person retired na cricket match la, this is Sachin Tendulkar cricket bat na, how many lakhs, you know, people are there to buy that cricket bat to keep in their cupboard, the glass case, and pay lakhs of rupees. There are people. Now tell me how much that wooden bat cost? Lakhs. Maybe hundreds or thousands la irkalam. How it gives a value of 1 lakh or 2 lakhs, 3 lakhs? It's not a cricket bat value. It is the value of Sachin Tendulkar. The attitude, the perception. Similarly, if my value, reverence towards Bhagavan, it is there, how can I separate anything from Bhagavan? Everything is Bhagavan. That is called Vishwarupa Darshanam. The value. Value is important, reverence is important, bhakti is important. They have, cricket fans have bhakti on cricket bat. Astikas, the people who believe in God, who are real devotees, must have what? Value, reverence for God. If it is there, it is simple to see the God everywhere, every minute. Every bhakta is able to see like that. Tyagaraja saw everything as Rama. He can never see anything separate from Rama. Mirabai saw everything as Krishna. She can never see anything other than Krishna. But we see what? Everything other than God we see. But they couldn't see. That is called real bhakti. Ekarupa bhakti culmination is Vishwarupa bhakti. That is what introductory verses 1 to 8 shlokas, Arjuna asked, how can I get your Vishwarupa Darshana, Nikita? Bhagavan said, Nana, you are already in Vishwarupa only, but you are able to see now. I'll bless you with that. That's why Sanjaya is able to see, because Samjaya, the one who has conquered Raga, Dvesha, all Shad Ripus who has conquered is called Sanjaya. That is why Sanjaya is able to see that Vishwarupa. And the Perlan is Samyak Jayati iti Sanjayaha. That is the meaning. Krishna says it is possible, but it requires a special vision. Special vision, a special type of mind, a mature, refined mind, pure mind. Now, Arjuna, your problem is impure mind. Impure mind means what? Nothing but ahankara, mamakara. I am Arjuna, mamakara is towards Drona and Bhishma. Therefore, he is not able to see that Vishwarupa. His people, kith and kin, he is seeing as his own. They are all mine. My people, my people, my people, he is talking. Vidu, and the individuality, Vidu. A mind which is free from Ahankara, Mamakara. That is called Vishwa Chakshuhu, Divya Chakshuhu, to see Vishwarupam. This is a transformation in Arjuna's mind. Arjuna, when he saw that Vishwarupam, wonderstruck, Ascharyam. First emotion is Ascharyam. He became dumb, no words from his mouth. That is called Ascharyam. This is the subject matter from first shloka onwards up to 8th shloka. Now from 7th shloka onwards up to 14th shloka, we have to understand, don't imagine Lord is appearing with thousands of legs, thousands of hands, thousands of heads. How ridiculous it is, if a Lord appears so many noses, so many eyes. Vishwarupam is not that. Vishwarupam means all human beings. Hands are Bhagavan's hands. Human beings, all beings you can take. All beings, legs are Bhagavan's legs. This is also very important note. Note ani pottukano. Highlighted, yellow ink you underline, like that. All our heads are Bhagavan's heads. This is that real understanding of Bhagavan's Vishwarupam. In Rudram, whole Vishnu Sahasranama is nothing but Vishwarupam of the Lord. Shantakaram Bhujagashainam Padmanabham Suresham, there also. Then Apatala Nabhastalanta Bhuvana Brahmanda Mavishpurat Jyotisphatika Linga Mauli Vilasat Purnendu Vantamritaihi. The Ishwaras, Shiva's Vishnu Rupam, that Shiva's Vishwarupam. And when it comes to Lord Vishnu, you can call that, what is that shloka? Vishwadharam Gagana Sadrisham Megha Varnam Shubhangam. That slokam comes. Akasha and Prithivi. Whole thing, Surya and Chandra are like eyes. Nakshatram, Akasha, whole river, ocean is like a belly of Bhagavana. Urinary bladder. Whole ocean is like a urinary bladder. All trees are like hair on the body of the Lord. This is what description. So therefore, now 7 to 14th, that is the Lord's description. earth and up to Akasha. 14 lokas are the physical body of the Lord. Don't see separately. This Vishwarupa Darshanam is very, very helpful. This is a promotion from Ekarupa. Ekarupalona narrow-mindedness. Vishwarupalona broad-mindedness. Adella benefits we will see later. Okay, from 15th shloka up to 22, this Ascharya he is expressing, Arjuna is expressing like a Discovery Channel. No? When you see the Discovery Channel, Ascharya irukum. There's an ant hill, you see the ant hill. Okay, why Arjuna's Ascharya? For example, the ant hill, when it is constructing a hill, it removes all stones and make that ant hill with a soft mud. And the people use that mud for medicine, as a medicine they use. Is it not? Any architect, any engineer, any mason can separate like that. And the filtering adella adu vere vishayam. But with a pavam adu tiny ant without any cranes. Namma enna pannuvaana crane vechittu cranes vechittu we remove all those things, separating the stones, mud, everything. What a tiny body, or how much leg it has got with two, front legs, it removes all. What a wonder. And it constructs a beautiful ant hill. What a beauty. Another is a spider. What a beautiful web, cobweb. Beautifully it constructs. Any architect, come on and ask him to construct a cobweb. Amazing. That is the uniqueness of that thread. The thread itself has got uniqueness. You see the butterfly. Okay, and the butterfly can suck the honey from the flower. You and I cannot suck the flower, the honey. And the bee, honey bee, take that honey from. We drink bottles and bottles of honey after their extraction. They extract and they save and we drink. Enna akramam. Enna glory of the creation of Parama. So these are all Ascharyam. So therefore understand the color how the flower is getting. A beautiful flower, color, beautiful fragrance. Idella enjoy பண்றதுக்கு ஒரு தனி மனசு வேணும். நமக்கு என்னன்னா, even if you sit in front of the ocean also, அங்கே போய் ஃபேமிலி ப்ராப்ளம்ஸ் எல்லாம் டிஸ்கஸ் பண்ணுவோம். கொஞ்ச நேரம் அது ட்ரெயினில் போகும்போது அந்த விண்டோவில் வெளியில் பார்த்து கொஞ்சம் அதையெல்லாம் என்ஜாய் பண்ணலாம் இல்லையா? இந்த பேர்ட்ஸ் அண்ட் ஸ்குரல்ஸ், ஆல் தீஸ் ட்ரீஸ் அண்ட் ஆல் யூ கேன் என்ஜாய்னா என்ஜாய் பண்ண மாட்டோம். We are not ready to enjoy that nature. Always we are stressed and anxious. பாரு, வெளியில பாரு, நேச்சரை பாரு, எப்படி அழகா இருக்குது. இதுதான் ஆச்சரியமோ ஆச்சரியம். So this is what we have to understand. No scientist, no architect, no one can create. Who is the cause of this whole creation? Bhagavan. We know how to destroy. We know how to destroy. We don't know how to construct. Human beings knows that much. At least learn to appreciate. Appreciation of the creation is called Vishwarupa Darshanam. That is called appreciation. Now Arjuna is appreciating. While he is appreciating and he is praising, you are so wonderful, you are great, and do not know who are you really speaking. After seeing everything, at one point Arjuna has got that emotion, that is fear. Ashcharyam over. But when Arjuna saw the mouth of the Lord, a bhayam came out. இதுவரைக்கும் ஆச்சரியம்தான். When he saw the mouth of the Lord, all are entering into the Lord's mouth like moths, flies, just as flies are entering into the fire and converted into ashes. How much time it will take? If a fly enters into the fire, how much time it takes to become into ashes? No time. Like this, all warriors are entering into the mouth of the Lord. Then Arjuna asked, Lord, who are you? Tell me, what is your real nature? Bhagavan says, I am Kala Tattvam in this battlefield. You know who am I? I am Srishti Sthiti Laya Karta. As a Laya Karta, I am active now. That's why I have come here to destroy all people, including Drona and Bhishma also. Therefore what? Nimitta matram bhava. May you become only an instrument in my hands. When that fear has come in the mind of Arjuna, he is asking the Lord, who are you? Tell me. I am not able to know you. ஏதோ விஸ்வரூபம்னா ஏதோ ஆனந்தமாக இருக்கும்னு நினச்சேன், இவ்வளோ பயங்கரமாக இருக்கேன்னு. And you are chewing them everything and you are nicely masticating them in your mouth happily. How can you do this? You don't have karuna, you don't have compassion. Arjuna, you are appreciating my creation, no? Srishti. You are appreciating the sthiti also, sustenance. You appreciate the same manner the laya also, destruction also. In the form of what? Maranam, Kala Tattvam. Don't see partially. If you want to see the entire creation from 23rd shloka onwards, 15th to 22, Ascharya, praising the Lord. Or a praising. From 23 onwards up to 33, 10 slokas, bhayam. Kala alone is srishti karanam, Kala alone is sthiti karanam, Kala alone is laya karanam. Everything happens in the Kala, time principle. That Kala principle alone is presented as Yamadharma Raja. So then don't look at Maranam as Amangalam. Maranam is also an integral part of the creation. If you see only creation, birth, growing, enjoying, that only you see, that is not total creation. Creation and chonnale, creation, apra destruction also an integral part of creation. Appreciate that also. Therefore do Marana Dhyanam. When the body you are going to leave after old age, after some time, give this body to Lord again. Hand over this body to the Lord with a tag. You know what is the tag? Thanks. Tag. You have to put to this body. Bhagavan, I am giving this body to you. Deho devalayah proktaha sajivaha kevala shivaha. See, what I utter, it should make a sense. What I utter, what I mean, it should make a sense. What is that? Deham devalayam. Devalayamlo yaar iruppan? Deva iruppan, Bhagavan irupar. So in the devalayam enna pannanum? Bhagavanukku கொடுத்துடு. Why you are grumbling, murmuring when old age is coming? Other people pray. When the people are old, அவர் போனா தேவையில்லை மாதிரி இருக்கு, போனா தேவையில்லை. என்ன அர்த்தம்? ஓல்ட் ஏஜ் வந்தாச்சு, we are not able to take care of it. அங்கே டியூபு இங்கே டியூபு இங்கே டியூப் எல்லாம் வச்சு எல்லாம் பெட் பேன் அந்த பேன் எதுக்கு அவர் கஷ்டப்படுறார் பாவம் போனான்னு. அவன் நினைப்பானா நான் போனா நல்லா இருக்கும்னு. வெரி ரேர்லி பீப்புள் ப்ரே லைக் தட். நோ, இன்னும் இருக்கணும் முறுக்கு மாதிரி ஆயினதுக்கு அப்புறம் கூட இருக்கணும்னு ஆசைன்னு விடு, உடம்பு அபிமானம் விடு. தட் இஸ் வாட் ரியலி appreciation of death. Maranam is also Mangalam. Jananam is Mangalam. Anapo, Maranam is also Mangalam. How can it be Amangalam? When it is integral part of Bhagavan. That is called Nimitta Matram Bhavan. Use your free will. Align your free will with my will. Bhagavan's will is there. What is Bhagavan's will? Will nama illa. Will and free will. Bhagavan's free will is nothing but Ishvara's order. Dharma. Ishvara's order. Water flows downwards. Ishvara's principle. Fire is hot. Ishvara's order. Air moves. Ishvara's order. Earth moves. Ishvara's order. Rain pours. Ishvara's order. Sun shines. Ishvara's order. Moon shines. Ishvara's order. Old age comes. Ishvara's order. Disease comes. Ishvara's order. Death comes. Ishvara's order. You should not rub against to the Ishvara's order. Your free will has to align with the Lord's will. That is called surrender. Otherwise you will have all the time fear. Bhayam, bhayam, bhayam. Not one time. Every minute bhayam. Bhayamo bhayam. Eppume bhayam. Ennagumo, where I am going to die. What will happen to me? Who will take care of me? All children are in abroad. Where am I going to? Bhayam. Edukappa bhayam? Avar irukkaru. Bhagavan irukkaru. What is going to happen? You do not know anything. That is called surrender, Sharanagati. And the Sharanagati vandada in the bhayam po. Illenna all bhayam, then psychosomatic ailments. Every minute you are under threat. Every minute is a threat for me. Then I blame the Lord, I blame all the people. I am a victimizer. World is victimizing me. I am victimized. World is victimizer. Bhagavan is pathinde irukar. Enna? Drama. Naan oru விளையாட்டு பொம்மையா? ஏன் இப்படி விளையாடுறேன்னு கூட பகவான் கிட்ட கேட்குறான். ஏன் எனக்கு கூட இப்படி விளையாடுறேன்? நான் தான் அவனுக்கு கிடைச்சிருக்கேனே, வேற யாருமே இல்லையான்னு கேட்போம். பகவான் சொல்லுவார், இதுதான் நாட் அலைன்ட் வித் த ஸ்ருதின்னு அர்த்தம். ஸ்ருதி ஞான ரஹிதா. வென் பாடும்போது இந்த தம்புர ஸ்ருதி பின்னாடி இருக்கு இல்லையோ, சாப்பாசா, அந்த ஸ்ருதி ஞானம் இருந்தால் இந்த ராகம் தப்பா போகாது இல்லையோ. வென் யூ ஹாவ் ஸ்ருதி ஞானம் சாப்பாசா, இந்த ராகம் தப்பா போகாது. அந்த ஸ்ருதி மறந்துட்டான்னு என்ன ஆயிடும்? ஒரு ராகத்துக்கு இன்னொரு ராகம் பாடிடுவோம். அப்ப என்ன ஆயிடும்? ஆடியன்ஸ் ஆல் வில் வெக்கேட் ஆல். Therefore, always keep in touch with, align with the ஸ்ருதி தம்புரா. அதுக்கு தான் காது பக்கத்திலே வச்சுக்கணும். ஒரு பாட்டுக்கு அட்ஜஸ்ட் பண்ணிட்டு இருக்கணும். ஒரே மாதிரி வச்சு போகக்கூடாது. மத்தியம ஸ்ருதியில் வந்தால் உடனே சேஞ்ச் பண்ணணும். லைஃப் இஸ் லைக் எ ராகா. The raga can come beautifully when the musician is aligned himself with the tambura shruti. That's a musician is expert musician. அதான் யாரோ சொல்ல நானே பார்த்தேன் ஒரு வாட்டி. ரவிசங்கர் came to Chennai. I went there to see that program. You see, 45 minutes he is arranging the shruti. He is setting the shruti for sitara for 45 minutes. அது வரைக்கும் நான் பார்த்துட்டே இருக்கேன், என்னதான் பண்றாரு இவர் வாசிக்க. After 45 minutes he has started playing that sitar. That means how much important the ஸ்ருதி ஞானம். அதே மாதிரி இது எக்ஸாம்பிள். அதே மாதிரி நமக்கு என்ன ஸ்ருதி ஞானம் இருக்கணும். ஸ்ருதி என்ன? அது மியூசிக்கல் ஸ்ருதி வேற. இப்போ நமக்கு என்ன ஞானம் இருக்கணும்? ஸ்ருதி. இதையும் ஸ்ருதி தான். இது என்ன ஸ்ருதி? பகவத்கீதா, உபனிஷத்து. ஸ்ருதி ஞானம் இருக்கணும்ப்பா. சாஸ்திரம் படிச்சா இந்த ஸ்ருதி ஞானம் இருந்தா இந்த ராகம், ஜீவனங்கிற ராகம், ஜீவன ராகம் ஒரு சீரியலே இருக்கு. சின்ன வயசுல அந்த வீக்லி மேகசைன்ல ஜீவன ராகம்னு ஒரு இது வரும் சீரியல். வாட் இஸ் ஜீவன ராகம்? ஜீவன ராகம் means tuning your life exactly said in Shastra Shruti. Shastra is called Shruti. Shruti is given by the Lord. Lord's words are nothing but Ishvara's order. I align my life, raga, jivana raga, with the Lord's Shruti. That is called alignment. This is called surrender, Sharanagati. நான் எப்போ சரண்டர் ஆயிட்ட பகவானுக்கு. என்ன தன்னு மனு சப்பு குச்சி தேரா. ஆனாலும் பற்று விடலையே. இன்னும் கோபம் வந்துட்டே இருக்க சுவாமி அப்பப்போன்னா. ஏன் வருதப்பான்னா, ஐ எம் நாட் ஏபிள் டு அக்செப்ட் த பீப்புள் ஆஸ் தே ஆர். As they are, I am not able to accept. And that's why blaming, criticizing, complaints all the time, as though I am fully perfectly right, all other people are wrong. ஹஸ்பண்ட் சுவாமினி அவர் எல்லாம் ரொம்ப நல்லவர் சுவாமினி, ரொம்ப நல்லவர். కానీ ஒரே ஒரு அப்பப்போ நான் சொன்னது கேட்க மாட்டார். அப்பப்போ அதுக்கே இவ்வளோ கம்ப்ளைண்ட். அது கூட விபூதி ஆஃப் த லார்ட். ஓகே, அவர் அதே சொல்லுவார். இந்த அம்மா ரொம்ப நல்ல சுவாமி, எல்லாம் நல்லா பண்ணுவா, அப்பப்போ நான் சொன்ன பேச்சு கேட்க மாட்டேன். இதுதான் எக்ஸ்பெக்டேஷன். அதுதான் அந்த ஈஸ்வராசனுடைய ஆர்டர். நெகட்டிவ், பிளசன்ட், அன்பிளசன்ட், ஃபேவரபிள், அன்ஃபேவரபிள் எல்லாமே பகவானுடைய க்ளோரி தான். நினைச்சுக்கோ, பொறுத்துக்கோன்னா. அக்செப்ட், திதிக்ஷா, விடு அந்த அகங்காரம், மமக்காரம். ரொம்ப கஷ்டமாயிடுச்சு சுவாமி எனக்கு. அட் தட் டைம் ஐ ஃபெல்ட் வெரி பேட். ஐ காட் ஹர்ட். எங்கே ஹர்ட்? என்ன ஹர்ட்? எவ்வளோ பிளட் வந்ததப்பான்னா, பிளட் வந்து பரவாயில்ல சுவாமி, நீ பேண்டைட் போடுவேன். ஆனால் இந்த ஹர்ட்டை தாங்கவே முடியலன்னா. ஏன்னா மமக்கார, ahankara. I am not able to withstand. I can never forgive that person. As long as you are not able to forgive the person, as long as you develop mamakara, ahankara towards certain things and you criticize certain things, Vishalata varave varadu, Vishwarupa darshanam varave varadu. What to talk of arupa jnanam? Adi engiyo thongindi irukku. விஸ்வரூப ஞானம். மனசு விஷாலத்தை வரலன்னப்பா, உனக்கு என்னடா ஞானம் வரப்போறது? எப்போதான் மனசு நிம்மதி வரும்? ஞானம் வந்தாதான் நிம்மதி வரும். ஞானம் வரத்துக்கு நீங்க விட்டதானே. அதுக்குதான் வைராக்கியம் வேணும். ரினன்சியேஷன், டிட்டாச்மெண்ட். வீடு சிரிச்சுன்னே வீடு ஆனந்தமாயிரு. பிளஸ் மைனஸ் எல்லாமே பாரு. எல்லாம் அனாத்மால நடந்துட்டு இருக்கான்னு பாருன்னா. தேக வாசனை போல, மனசு வாசனை போல, டே அண்ட் நைட் வரிங்கண்ணா. டே அண்ட் நைட், ஒரு நாளா 2 நாளா சுவாமினி, ஐ வாண்ட் டு கம் அவுட் பட் ஐ எனக்கு தெரியும் சுவாமினி, எனக்கு எல்லாமே தெரியும். ஆனாலும் தெரியாது போகாதப்பா. டிரான்ஸ்ஃபார்ம் யுவர் செல்ஃப், டிரான்சென்ட் பாடி மைண்ட் காம்ப்ளெக்ஸ். எத்தனை நாளும் தெரிஞ்சு விழுந்துட்டே இருக்கியேன்னா. Come on, start your journey. Bhagavan says, Arjuna, if you are not able to see my this Bhayankara Swarupam when I am swallowing all people, then Arjuna asked, Podum, ni poitu vaana. Enna Vishwarupam, you take back, you show me that Eka Rupa Ishvara, Eka Rupa Krishna I want. Okay, as you say, I am going to give you back. Then Bhagavan says, look at my again Eka Rupa. Then Arjuna is so happy. Appa, namaste. Again, he is doing salutations to the Lord. I am very happy with this. Bhagavan, now I surrender to you. Okay, surrender. Bhakti. Ascharyam, bhayam, bhakti. Bhakti, how can you show? Through namaskara. Physically, you prostrate in front of the Lord. When you show your reverence through the physical namaskara, your humility, humbleness, you are showing to the Lord. So Arjuna became little bit more wiser. Okay, ipo I have understood. Okay, in the rupam venda Vishwarupam, you come back. Then Lord Krishna gave his what? And the temporary dane. The taking raga dvesha is a temporary refinement. So he has given original nature of Arjuna back to him. Then Lord is also appearing in same Ekarupa. Arjuna has surrendered to the Lord. That's what dharma is, the Lord. Here we have to understand. How to understand dharma? எப்படி இருக்கு, எங்க இருக்க சுவாமி தர்மம்னா? எங்க இருக்குன்னு அதுக்கு ஒரு ஸ்லோகமே இருக்கு, பியூட்டிஃபுல் ஸ்லோகா. அந்த யமாய தர்மராஜ ஸ்லோகம் சொன்னானோ அந்த ஸ்லோகம் கூட சொல்றேன். தட் ஸ்லோகா இஸ் வெரி இம்பார்ட்டன்ட். டெய்லி ப்ரேயர் பண்ணா யமதர்மராஜா வில் பிளஸ். பயம் கொடுக்காமலே. ஓகே, யமாய தர்மராஜாய மிருத்யவே சாந்தகாய ச. யமாய தர்மராஜா. எதுக்காக இந்த ஸ்லோகம் சொல்றேன்னா, யம தர்மராஜா, அந்த தர்ம மிடில் இருக்க பாருங்க. He follows that Ishvara's order. மிருத்யுர்தாவதி பஞ்சம இதி. வெரி பிஸி ஆல் த டைம். எனக்கு கொஞ்சம் போஸ்ட்போன் பண்ண மாட்டார். போய் அப்படி வாப்பா, கொஞ்ச நாள் கழிச்சு வான்னா, ஈஸ்வராஸ் ஆர்டர். தர்மராஜாய இசை மிருத்யவேச்ச அந்தகாயச்ச. யுவர் நேம் இஸ் கால்ட் மிருத்யு. ஏன்னா யூ ஆர் த ஒன் ஹூ இஸ் புட்டிங் எண்ட் டு எவ்ரிதிங். அந்தகாயச்ச, யூ ஆர் த ஒன் who is putting end to this creation. Vaivasvataya, you are the son of Lord Sun. Son of Lord Sun enna puriyudho? Vivaswan, son. Lord Sun, spelling correct ah pottukonga. You are the son of Lord Sun. You are the son enna spelling? S-O-N. Of Lord Sun enna S-U-N. appa. Vaivasvataya காலாய சர்வபூத க்ஷயாயச்ச. டெய்லி இந்த ஸ்லோகம் படிக்கலாம். யமாய தர்மராஜாய மிருத்யவே சாந்தகாய ச வைவஸ்வதாய காலாய சர்வபூத க்ஷயாய ச. அதே மாதிரி பக்தா கேன் ஆஸ்க் பகவான் லைக் திஸ் na அதி பீஷண கட்டு பாஷண யம கிங்கர பட்டலீம் கிருததாடன பரிபீடன மரணாகம சமயே உமயா சஹ மம சேதசி யம சாசன நிவசன் ஹர சங்கர சிவ சங்கர ஹர மே ஹர துரிதம். The bhakta is asking the Lord, what? அதி பீஷண கட்டு பாஷண யம கிங்கர பட்டலி. இந்த பக்தா சொல்ற, what he says, hey Bhagavan, oh Shiva, Lord Shiva, in the Yamakinkaras they have come. Yamakinkaras ati bhishanama bhayankarama irukra paakradhuke. Kattu bhashana, they are talking very very rudely with me. Ena naane vacate panna maata. ஆவி விட்டாலும் சாவி விட மாட்டான். நான் என்ன சொல்லிட்டு இருக்கேன், இரு பேத்தி வரணும், அந்த கிராண்ட் சன் வரணும், அவங்க எல்லாம் வரணும், பார்த்துட்டு வர இருப்பா, இன்னும் அமெரிக்காவிலேருந்து வரத்துக்கு 3 நாள் ஆக நான் பேசிட்டு இருக்கேன். அவன் வந்து இஸ் டாக்கிங் டூ ரூட்லி வித் மீ. அதி பீஷண கட்டு பாஷண யமகிங்கர பட்டலி. Not only Kritatadanna Paripidana Maranagama Samaye. I am suffering like anything with this body at that time. I am not able to breathe. I am not able to see my people. Even I am not able to sign. People are standing. Hey, sign panna, they are standing. And sons and daughters, especially son-in-laws, they are forcing. I am not able to sign also. Maranagama Krutatadanna Paripidana, Pidana of my own family members. And Krita Tadan there, Yamakinkaras are really beating me. Vidu, one. Na enna pandrathu. These people are not leaving me. I am not able to go there also. Krita Tadana Paripidana Maranagama Samaye. Therefore, O Lord, I am not able to withstand. Umayasaha mama chetasi yamashasana nivasan. Umayasaha. That Uma Devi, along with her, you come and Umayasah mama chetas, in my heart, Yama Shasana. You are the controller of Yama. These Yama Kinkaras are problematic to me. You come and stay in my heart. Umayasah mama chetasi Yama Shasana. Oh Shiva, Yama Shasana. Nivasan. If you stay in my heart, these Yama Kinkaras, Yama cannot do anything. And the fear of death will go away. Hara Shankara Shiva Shankara Hara me Hara Duritam. In the suffering edikahana na panna pavamana. You just remove my duritam. Na peaceful death. Peaceful death without any struggle. That's why I return this body to the Lord. Maranam is an integral part of the Lord. Beautiful shloka, okay? Similarly, dharma also, dharmam vishwasya jagataha pratishtha. Whole world. Eppadi namma veedu. 4 pillar, 10 pillar. Okay. Pillar mera nikkindirukka namma veedu. Illaya? Namma house is standing on the pillars. Pillars are foundations. In the whole creations, in the whole creation, nikkadumanna, ennada pillar anna dharma. Dharma is the pillar. On the dharma pillar, whole universe is standing. How to understand? Ishvara is called dharma. That dharma, Ishvara alone is appearing in this form. Therefore, loke dharmishtam praja upasarpanti. Loke dharmishtam praja upasarpanti. All people can survive in happy manner when they follow dharma. Otherwise, orthanu panna papathike whole country has to suffer. Theriyadu news? Orthanu panna fraud ke how many people, thousands and thousands of people suffering. Orthanu dharma vittitu poitanna, how many people are suffering? Just wrong way of living, wrong perception towards the life, wrong estimation, wrong notions towards the life. Jivana ragam theriyala. Apashruti poichu. Oruthanude apashruti ellarude jeevithanlo apashruti ayidu. Adanal money, mind, materialistic life kitta varave koodadu. Vandadanna danger. This is the lesson for whole humanity. Nalla adi irundada oru vaati spiritual transformation will come. This is the big stroke to the materialistic world. Big, what you can call? Big jolt. Big jolt. Okay? To the all materialistic minded people in the jolt correct time la vandirukku. Avanga ketta sonna ellarum koopam vandidum. Who gave this jolt? Bhagavan. Bhagavan gave the jolt. Appadi vanadum illena adi dadi vaanginada varum. Adida, if you yourself recognize and expand your mind, wonderful. You accept old age. You accept even body. No body is perfectly healthy. Accept the disease also. Integral part of creation. Don't blame. Okay? This is called understanding alignment with the Lord. Dharma loke dharmishtam praja upasarpanti. Dharmena papam apanudati. If you live a dharmic life, your previous papa will go away. Dharmena papam apanudati. Then dharme sarvam pratishthitam. In dharma alone, everything is there. Therefore, follow values. Never compromise with values. Dharmena papam apanudati. Dharme sarvam pratishthitam. Tasmat dharmam paramam vadanti. Therefore, dharma is paramam, supreme. Not husband, wife, children. Dharma is first for me. Then only all of them. I never compromise my values for the sake of people's selfish ends. I use dharma for the sake of universe, for my sake. If you follow dharma, it is very easy to get self-knowledge. Very easy, you are putting a step by step towards the Lord. Right knowledge. Therefore, Ascharyam, Bhakti, Bhayam, all are over. The Bhayam continues because of Ragadvesha. Okay? Bhayam continues because of Ragadvesha. Last 46 and 45, Lord Krishna doing Upasamhara. Bhakti is the important sadhanam. Person should get vairagyam towards these materialistic things, detach to them, use them how much you want, but don't carry away by them. That is the meaning. What are the benefits if you have this Vishwarupa Darshanam? Bhagavan says, Nirvairavaha sarva bhuteshu. Never look inimically towards anybody. Nirvairaha. I look at everyone as a part of this universe. I like everyone, Swamini, except, and the except include pandu iniki. Include that person also. Nirvairahana, without enmity. Initially you confine to Ekarupa. Then you have to expand. All gods are okay. All worships are okay. All are nothing but God alone. No enemy at any religion, any path, anything they follow, let them follow. I am everywhere sacred, nothing is separate from the Lord. Then second benefit is dosha pariharaha. We cannot hate anything, I don't exclude anything from the Lord. This is dosha pariharaha. Amanitvam, third benefit is amanitvam. Whatever glory I see in me or anywhere belong to me, I give it to the Lord alone. It's not mine. Where is mine? Nothing is mine. I am not the owner at all. Bhagavan alone is owner. Then who am I? Trustee. Ada amanitvam. Humility develops. Once I see the whole creation as Bhagavan, my pride will come down. நான் பண்ண அப்படி சொல்ல மாட்டோம். Humility comes, humbleness. By God's grace. For everything I have to say God's grace. So then fourth one is everything is sacred, nothing is secular. India is a secular country. அப்படி என்ன அர்த்தம்? Sacred நீ வீட்டில் வச்சுக்கோ, டெம்பிளில் வச்சுக்கோ. But in school and all, offices and all, we are secular. Not sacred. Indirectly you are telling to yourself, we are not sacred. What is Bhagavan is sacred. Everywhere Bhagavan. Don't bring your Bhagavan here and anartham. கொஞ்சம் அக்கிரமம் பண்றோம் இப்போ. அந்த sacred நாங்க வெச்சுக்கோன்னா. It won't work in this country. That type of thinking won't work here. Everything is sacred. There is no secular separately. That's why secularism will fail in this country. Secularism is a wrong concept of Westerners. That idea itself is cheating the people of this country, this culture. I will take another day a special topic on secular and sacred. I have given in one of my talk I think. You can listen a Guru Puja talk, it seems. Guru Purnima talk, secularism and sacred. Okay. Now, the last and final one, I have a respect, I develop respect towards everything. I never look down upon anything if I have Vishwarupa Darshanam. I am relaxed and I am very much relaxed. Inner leisure I can have because I respect everyone, everything in this creation. That's why Hinduism is that which respect every religion, every god. We don't have hatred at all. That's why Hinduism surviving in spite of all onslaughts, because of this sacred bhavana. That sacred bhavana, it will continue. So I look at all of them as Bhagavan. The last and final one is expansion of the mind will come, narrow mind will go away, short-sightedness will go away. Then I do everything for Bhagavan. Mat karma kuru, mat bhaktaha bhava. Bhagavan said, everything I put Ishwararpanam, Krishnarpanam, Swartham angrade kadiyade. No selfishness. Everything is selfless. But family members are also included in Vishwarupa. Whole society included in Vishwarupa. My body, mind included in Vishwarupa. Everything is Bhagavan. I do namaskara to Bhagavan every moment. Whatever I see, I feel Bhagavan. This is called Vishwarupa Darshanam. Arjuna, expand your mind. Don't look at Drona and Bhishma as yours. They are part of this creation. You have no right to say, I will not fight. Ani chollade. You align your free will, that is called fighting, with my will, Ishvara's will. Surrender to me. Mad bhaktaha bhava. Then what is bhakti? I will tell you in the 12th chapter. Bhagavan is telling. Mad bhaktaha bhava, Bhagavan said. Be my devotee. What do you mean by devotion? Listen to 12th chapter of Bhagavad Gita. You understand what is bhakti. How many varieties of bhaktis are there? What is real bhakti? Then we can know we are real bhaktas or fake bhaktas. If we are not real bhaktas, let us become real bhaktas. So that Bhagavan blessings will shower on us. Once Bhagavan's blessings shower on us, peace automatically will come. Shanti will come. Ananda will come. Security will come. What not? Everything will come. Therefore, we become a good bhakta first. More in the next class. With this, 11th chapter is completed. Purnamada Purnamidam Purnat Purnamudachyate Purnasya Purnamadaya Purnamevavashishyate. Om Shanti 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 Harihi Om Shri Gurubhyo Namaha Harihi Om.